Welcome guys. Let's do Withor token technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I'm going to show you my new charts and my new targets. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $5,680 bonus, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit you can grab these bonuses, which is absolutely free. And you can also trade with these bonuses, and this is risk-free trading strategy. You can trade with these bonuses only or put your seed money away and trade with these bonuses only, and this is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching. Let's dive into the content. This is Withor USDT pair 4-hour chart, and it is in this descending wedge. After creating top at 1.2 cents, and now it is at $0.0085 price level, and price is very low right now. This is actually a bullish pattern. After breaking, target will be this, the beginning of this falling wedge, and it is at 1.26 cents price area. But before this it have to break some resistances areas. First resistance it can face at $0.00946 price area, and second resistance, major resistance, it can face is this area, $0.0106 price area. These are main areas to break. Once it breaks these areas, in that case it will hit my targets. According to the support and resistance base, our target will be like this. You can say our first target will be 0.0094, second target will be 1 cent, and third target will be 1.17 cents price area, and after that 0.012 and $0.0128 price area. And if unfortunately it again break this downtrend line, in that case this is major support area is at 0.00760, after that 0.0067, and after that 0.0059. These are major support areas to hold, but this is major area to hold, $0.007281 price area. Let me please show you some indicators. Volume is missing in this chart, that is not a good sign. EMA ribbon. Candles are below from this EMA ribbon, and this EMA ribbon is now turning as a resistance. Candles have to break 0.0096 and close 4-hourly candle above this in this price area. Candles can break this, and after that new upside rally will start. Otherwise we may see some sideways action in this chart. Let me please show you RSI. 4-hourly RSI is at 40. Once it crosses 50, in that case this will be good and price will go up. Otherwise some sideways action. 4-hourly MACD crossover towards upside is about to happen, and little green tower is appearing. That is a good sign. This is the indication maybe price can go up right now. And let me please show you my second chart. This is daily chart, and this is top at $0.0167 price area, after that 0.0132, and after that this area. This is the major support is at $0.0071 price area. It have to hold this area. Once it hold this area, in that case this will be the target. $0.01513. 1.5 cent will be the target, but before this it have to break this major support, a major resistance, which is at 1 cent price area. Maybe price can do that kind of action. After touching this, price will boost, and after that it is going to hit these targets, but we have to wait. The major support is at 0.0071, and second major support is at $0.004 price zone. These are major support zones, but I think this is most strong support because here you can see several touches. several touches. Here you can see, and after every touch price bounce back. That is a good sign, and this is very strong support, 0.0071. And let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles are below this from this EMA ribbon, and this is a bearish sign. But once daily candle closing above 1 cent price area, in that case it will break this EMA ribbon. In that case price definitely will go up, otherwise we have to wait. And let me please show you my indicators. Daily RSI is very below and it is at 36. Once it crosses 50, in that case this will be the positive sign, otherwise we have to be very careful. MACD crossover towards downside, big red towers, meaning that price maybe can go down because this is daily chart and these towers are very strong red towers, and we have to wait until it broke this area as 1 cent price area. In that case we are in safe zone, and after that price definitely will boost. Let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is very important to me, and this is main CPR. And here you can see main CPR lines are at this area 0.009, and it is exactly at 1 cent price area. Once candle closing above, daily candle closing above 1 cent price area, in that case these main CPR line turns into main support. After that the first bullish target will be this. These blue lines are monthly CPR bullish targets. First bullish target is 0.0114. Second bullish target will be this area 0.01315, and after that this is the last bullish target of this month, and it is 0.01467. These are the targets. Note down these targets. And here you can see after touching this bearish CPR level, which is at $0.00798 price zone, it is bounced back. This CPR, bearish CPR, is turning as a strong support, and once it crosses 1 cent price area, in that case these main CPR levels will turn into main support, and after that upside rally will definitely start. This is my technical analysis, guys. I hope you like this. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please, if you want to get these bounces, $5,680 bounces, which are absolutely free bounces, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links: Binance $710 bonus, Fimex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $170 bonus. Just go to in this video's description or comment section, get these links and click on these links and register your account. And after registration, deposit, and after initial deposit you can grab these bounces. These are absolutely free bounces. Just collect these bounces and trade with these bounces. These bounces are tradable. Just trade with these bounces and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.